Hop into the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This crisply styled Mercedes-Benz C-Class offers an alluring blend of opulence and the latest tech to keep you secure, connected, and entertained. Whether your passion is for the sedan, coupe, cabriolet, this superb automobile is designed to satisfy your desire for driving pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the handcrafted quality you deserve in this C300 sedan. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.